Hello, my name's Narelle and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time at Moreton Bay Libraries. As we do at all of our sessions, let's begin with our acknowledgement to country. So here we go. Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down. We're on Turrbal ground. Let's say hello to all of our friends now. Are you ready? Can you do waving with me? Here we go. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Are you all good today? I'm very well today. Now we've got a tickle song. Are you ready? Here we go. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello. Oh, I like hugs. Do you like hugs? Here we go. Do you know I'm so happy today that I feel like clapping my hands. Would you like to clap with me? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Now, what about stomping our feet? Can you stomp with me? If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. What about blow a kiss? If you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss. If you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss. Oh, well done. I can hear your lovely voices. Now we're going to do a little bouncing one. Here we go. Did you know that tapping and clapping and rocking your children helps develop their language skills? So this one is a little bouncy one. So here we go. I bounce you here, I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. Now we're going to do some tickling. Here we go. I tickle you here, I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. What about a hug? Here we go. I hug you here, I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. Oh, well done. Do you know, the other day I saw a spider in my garden. And do you know what that spider was doing? He was climbing up the water spout. Can you do that one with me? Here we go. Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. I like that one. Shall we do it again? Here we go. Are you ready? Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Oh, give yourselves a little clap. That was beautiful. I have just been on holidays and I went to visit a farm. Have you been to visit a farm? I know a rhyme about a farm. Do you know old Macdonald had a farm? Here we go. Let's try that one. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What sound does a cow make? Do you know? That's right, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done. What about a pig? Do we know the sound of a pig? Yes, that's it. Oink, oink. Let's go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, a duck. What about a duck? Do you know the sound that a duck makes? Quack, quack. Yes, you're right, it is quack, quack. Here we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, well done. Have a clap. Beautiful singing today. Sometimes, parents, your child will get you to sing their favourite rhyme over and over again, and that is really good practice for their language development. Now, I always like tickling songs. Do you know Round and Round the Garden? Here we go. Sometimes you can do it on their hands or their feet or even their tummy. Here we go. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle me under there. What about the next verse? Do you know that one? Round and round the garden like a little mouse. One step, two step, into his little house. Shall we do that one again? It's one of my favourites. Here we go. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. And the next verse, round and round the garden like a little mouse. One step, two step, into his little house. Oh, well done. Parents, children love to hear your voice, and you are their most important teacher at the moment. Don't ever be afraid of singing with them. Even if you think you can't sing, they love to hear you. It's time for us to say goodbye. So here we go. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, and a great big hug to say goodbye. Now can we do some waving goodbye, everyone? Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you another day. Thanks for coming. I had a really good time and we'll see you soon.